ACAs, there is still time to register for the Navigate 2020 Virtual College Fair and Conference. The virtual fair will be held through May 6 from 12 to 8 p.m. Register at the link below. This link is also available on the College and Career Readiness website and in your CCR Google Classroom. Juniors, don't miss out on the opportunity to join a virtual presentation from the University of Louisville's admissions team on May 7th at 2 p.m. This is a great time to learn about the school's programs and scholarships. You can register for the event at bit.ly/CCR Eventbrite or click on the link in the Junior CCR Google Classroom.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Principal Diaz here with the Cuban crew from Lexington. That's me and these three little guapo kids. All right, Lucy, you have to go do your homework and maybe brush your hair. Daniel, you got to go play with some Legos and keep being awesome. And Cookie Monster, go eat some more cookies. All right, I got to send you guys on your way. Folks, I've got some special announcements for you today. Mostly I want to make sure that my seniors know exactly what's going on. So I sent a letter home on Friday. I mentioned it yesterday. And really what I need you to understand is that I need my seniors to complete all the NTI work through your Chromebooks, through your Canvas by May 15th. We have to put stuff in transcripts. We have to get graduation lists ready. We're doing a virtual graduation, and it takes a lot of legwork in the background for us to get everything organized. So please, please, please make sure that you are in touch with Mr. Melton, with Miss Casey King, that you have your pictures ready, that you are all set and ready to go with the directions and initiatives that we have going on with virtual graduation. I also want to share with you that we are doing our Chromebook collections and that we are doing our book collections. You may drop off your library books at Douglas Monday. Well, that was today, Monday, May 4th. That was yesterday, Monday, May 4th at 10 o'clock. And next Monday, the 11th, at between 10 and 2. So please drop off your library books Monday, the 11th, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. in the front office. If you have library fines, you may mail a check to the school, Frederick Douglass High School, Attention Library, 2000 Winchester Road, Lexington, Kentucky 40509. So please, please, please do a good job and make sure that you are all set and ready to go. Big shout out, great video to start the introduction. We've got virtual college conferences coming up. We still want to make sure that you achieve your goals and get to where you want to be. NTI counts. You must do a good job. Try your very best on all your assignments. Make sure that you are logging on to the correct class. Mondays are A days. Tuesdays are B days. Wednesdays are A days. Thursdays are B days. And then Fridays are catch-up days where you can catch up on all your work. No new assignment will be given on Fridays, but you get a chance to catch up on all your work. This is a great opportunity, guys. We have the technology. We have the capabilities to really, really get ahead of the curve when it comes to receiving instruction, learning, and growing. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal. That's all the announcements I have for you today. It is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity. Teacher Appreciation Week. Big shout out to all you guys doing great work. Love my teachers.